Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been itching to jump on the smartwatch train without burning a hole in your pocket, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of affordable smartwatches that offer bang for your buck. As always, links to each watch we discuss are in the description below. Let's get into it. Alright, kicking things off, let's talk about the Fitbit Versa 2. This device isn't just a smartwatch, it's your wellness companion wrapped around your wrist. The Versa 2 fine-tunes its predecessor's winning formula with some sleek upgrades. First off, that AMOLED display? Gorgeous. It's like having a little piece of Times Square on your arm, minus the crowds and overpriced food. One of the Versa 2's shining features is its in-depth sleep analysis. I mean, this thing could probably tell you what you dreamed about. Okay, not really, but it does get nitty-gritty on your sleep patterns, helping you become more conscious of your rest. Now, we've got to talk about the battery life. Most smartwatches have the lifespan of a fruit fly, but not the Versa 2. With a 5-day battery life, this thing will stick with you through work weeks, workouts, and the occasional Netflix binge. Sure, it doesn't have onboard GPS like its younger sibling, the Versa 3, but hey, at its price, one can't really complain. Also, its app store might not be overflowing with options like Apple's, but it's still got you covered for the essentials. This watch is the Swiss Army knife of affordable smartwatches, offering cross-platform compatibility and robust features that make it an excellent choice for most people. Next up, let's lace up those running shoes and sprint into the world of the Garmin Forerunner 55. If you're a runner and a budgeteer, this is like finding a water fountain in a desert. This watch is specifically designed for the pavement pounders among us and does an incredible job without forcing you to live off ramen for a month to afford it. Garmin knows running like Shakespeare knew love stories. The Forerunner 55 doesn't just track your speed and distance. It offers new workout suggestions that are genuinely helpful, not just for seasoned marathoners, but for the newcomers lacing up their sneakers for the first time. And get this, the watch even tells you how much time you should rest after a workout. It's like having a personal coach strapped to your wrist, minus the yelling and judgment. The device also features Garmin's impeccable onboard GPS. So whether you're tracing your regular route or exploring new trails, this bad boy ensures you'll never get lost, unless of course you want to. While it may not match the vast array of general smartwatch features, it has running in its DNA. And it does it so well that you might just find yourself setting a new personal record or two. Moving right along, let's talk about the Amazfit Bip U Pro. If you're on a strict budget, this one's calling your name. It's like the underdog contestant on a talent show that leaves you thinking, wow, where did that performance come from? The Bip U Pro is the tricked-out version of its already popular predecessor, the Bip U. Now you might be thinking, a budget smartwatch with GPS? No way! But yes way. The built-in GPS isn't just a gimmicky add-on. It's the real deal. So if you're into outdoor activities, this watch will have your back, or rather, your wrist. And wait, there's more. You know that little voice assistant you talk to when nobody's watching? Yep, this budget-friendly marvel comes integrated with Amazon Alexa. What truly sets it apart, however, are its extensive health and fitness features. We're talking heart rate monitoring, SPO2 tracking, and sleep analysis. It even has breathing tracking for those of us who forget to breathe when we're stressed. Oh, come on, I can't be the only one. Next in line is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. This bad boy is what you get if an Android smartphone decided to get in shape and become a watch. If you're in the Samsung ecosystem, or even just an Android user, this is your top pick among the budget-friendly options. It closely mimics its more expensive sibling, the Galaxy Watch 5, in design and features. So, if you're after that new watch smell but don't want to spend the big bucks, the Galaxy Watch 4 offers a nearly identical experience at a discount. Here's the kicker. It runs on the latest Wear OS platform. Imagine having a tiny computer on your wrist that can tell you way more than just the time. It's got a full suite of health tracking features, including a unique body composition analysis. Yes, this watch can tell you if you're built like a rock or more like a marshmallow. Okay folks, let's switch gears and head into Apple territory. If you're an iPhone user and you're looking for a smartwatch that's like that second cousin who's always invited but never actually shows up, unexpected yet familiar, the Apple Watch SE 2 is for you. Yes, it's a little pricier than some of the others we've covered, but think of it as the economical sedan of the Apple Watch family. This watch features a nylon-infused back, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but is actually all about reducing weight and cost. Despite its lighter touch, the SE2 still packs a punch with the same watchOS 9 you'd find in its more expensive siblings. It can measure on-wrist running power, vertical oscillation, and other metrics that make it a worthy companion for runners. Oh, and for those water enthusiasts among us, it counts your strokes while swimming. Plus, it features crash detection, which is like having a guardian angel that can actually call for help if needed. All in all, it's your best bet if you're part of the Apple ecosystem. And now, drumroll, please, for our number one pick, the Fitbit Versa 3. This isn't just an upgrade. It's like the original Versa went off to a self-improvement retreat and came back a new smartwatch. The most notable change? Onboard GPS. That's right. You can now track your location without dragging your phone along for the ride. The display has also seen improvements, offering a larger, curvier design that makes you wonder how you ever lived with the tiny screens of yesteryear. But let's talk about the active zone minutes, which is like having a fitness coach cheering you on from your wrist. It monitors how long you're in different heart rate zones during workouts, nudging you to hit those American Heart Association and World Health Organization guidelines each week. Voice assistant compatibility? Check. Compatibility with both iOS and Android? Double check. So whether you're an Apple aficionado or an Android advocate, the Versa 3 ensures nobody feels left out. There you have it, folks. Those were our top picks for the best budget-friendly smartwatches of 2023. I hope this guide helps you make an informed choice without breaking the bank. Don't forget, links to all these smartwatches are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and tech savvy.